Yellowbird Serrano hot sauce? Roll that intro. Thank you for joining me today and also taking the time out of your busy day to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate you. Today we have Yellowbird Serrano hot sauce. Let's get started. Have anybody ever had this type of hot sauce before? Let me know in the comment sections down below. Well, this is gonna be my first time having this. And Serrano peppers are around 8,000 Scoville heat units to about 23,000 Scoville heat units. So it's a wide range of this pepper. Okay, let's take our first pour. Okay, gotta open it up, and then let's pour. And it's a yellow type of hot sauce. This is my first time having a yellow. Well, like a mustard style hot sauce. It has some kick to it. It is hot. Yes. I feel it on the tongue. And I feel it in the ears. I think this is my hottest hot sauce to date. It's good, but all I can feel is the heat. Yes. And I would give this an 8 out of 10. Yes, an 8 out of 10. Let's take the next pour. And let's see if it's going to get even hotter. There you go. It's a good hot sauce. And my heat level is probably about a 4 or a 3 or 4. Yeah. Ooh. Let's take one more spoonful, and there you go. This is a very, very good hot sauce. And you can pick this up at your local Walmart store. Yes, your local Walmart, your local Walmart store. Now, very, very good and very, very delicious. Yes. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Live life, love life, and let life take you to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Peace.